Okay.
The Cat in the Hat by Dr. Seuss.
The sun did not shine, it was too wet to play.
So we sat in the house on that cold, cold, wet day.
I sat there with Sally, we sat there, we two.
And they said, oh, I wish we had something to do.
Too wet to go out, and too cold to play ball.
So we sat in the house.
We did nothing at all.
So all we could do was
Sit, sit,
Sit.
sit.
and we did not like it, not one little bit.
And then something went wrong.
How the mom made us jump.
We looked,
And we saw him, the Cat in the Hat.
And he said to us,
Why do you sit there like that?
I know it is wet and the sun is not sunny.
But we can have fun, lots of good fun that is funny.
I know some good games we can play, said the cat. I know some new tricks, said the Cat in the Hat.
A lot of new tricks, I will show them to you. Your mother will not mind at all if I do.
Then Sally and I did not know what to say.
Our mother was out of the house for the day.
But our fish said, no, make that cat go away. Tell that cat in the hat you do not want to play.
He should not be here, he should not be about. He should not be here while your mother is out.
Why, we can have lots of fun if you wish with a game that I call Up with the Fish. Put me down to the fish, this is no fun at all. Put me down to the fish, I do not wish to fall. Have no fear, said the cat, I will not let you fall. I will hold you up high as I stand on this ball.
I can hold up 2 books. I can hold up the fish.
And a little toy ship and some milk in a dish.
Look at me, look at me now.
It's fun to have fun, you just have to know how.
That's what the cat said, and then he fell on his head.
He came down with a bump from up there in the ball, and Sally and I, we saw all the things fall. Now look what you did, said the fish to the cat.
Now look at this house, look at this, look at that. He should not be here, he should not be about. He should not be here while your mother is out.
But I do not wish to go. I like it a lot. I want to stay, said the cat to the pot.
Then he got up on top with the tip of his hat. I call this game Fun in a Box, said the cat. In this box are 2 things I will show to you now. You will like these 2 things, said the cat with a bow.
I will pick up the box. You'll see something new. 2 things, and I call thing 1 and thing 2.
And then
And he ran out as fast as a fox. The Cat in the Hat came back with the box. Then out of the box came thing 1 and thing 2, and they ran to us fast saying, how do you do? And Sally and I did not know what to do, so we had to shake hands with thing 1 and thing 2.
they should not be here when your mother is out. Put them out, said the fish to the pot.
Then Sally and I saw them run down the hall.
We saw those 2 things bump their kites on the wall. Bump their kites on the wall? Bump, thump, bump, thump. Down the wall and all the way down through the hall. Thing 1 and thing 2, they ran up, they ran down. On the string of one kite. We saw mother's new gown. Her gown with the dots that are pink, white, and red. There was a one kite bump on the head of her bed. Then our fish said, look, and our fish shook with fear. Your mother is on her way home. Do you hear?
Oh, what will she do to us? What will she say? Oh, she will not like it to find us this way.
Oh dear, said the cat, you do not like our game? Oh dear, what a shame, what a shame, what a shame. Then he shut up things.
In the box with a hook,
And the cat went away
with a sad kind of look.
Then our mother came in and she said to us too, did you have any fun? Tell me, what did you do? And Sally and I did not know what to say. Should we tell her the things that went on there that day?
Should we tell her about